Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video for you because I will be unboxing and swatching for you almost all of the Chanel holiday gift sets. I will link them in the description below so you can click to shop because they finally are available to purchase online, although they did sell very quickly when I dropped them here on YouTube and also on my Instagram. So make sure you subscribe to me here on YouTube and also follow me on Instagram at Heated Mess because that's where I first post whenever these become available. I'll also tag them on the screen below, so it should show up right here because they do pop up and then sell out from different retailers. So I will update you whenever they are available. I'll also share with you some of the new holiday makeup, and then I got some very cute little holiday gifts now that I wanted to share with you. So I'll link everything below. But let's get started. First, I have to share with you some new jewelry from Demain Diamonds. This is a new to me jewelry brand. I was so excited to receive this from them. They have some very beautiful classic pieces, and all their jewelry is made with ethical lab created diamonds. Look how pretty the gift packaging is. It has a little pull-out drawer here. You can also use this as a jewelry case. It has the IGI certified lab-grown diamond report. Pamphlet gives you more info about their jewelry. They are available in 14 karat gold or platinum. Some pieces are also available in silver. All their diamonds are DE color, VS1 clarity, and ideal cut. Use this code tomorrow10 to save 10% off your order, but I also have a special promo code they shared with me. If you use my code HEATEDMESS20, you should save 20% off of your order. So let me show you what I picked out. I was so excited because this matches my wedding ring. This is their emerald pendant necklace, and I can't even explain to you how sparkly and beautiful this is. When I opened this up, it was a very sunny day. It's actually evening now, but I have my lights on here, but look how sparkly it is. This matches my radiant cut wedding ring, and this is in the 1/4 carat weight. Actually available in 1/4 carat, 1/2 carat, or 1 or 2 or 4 carats if you want a really big chunky stone. And they also have this available in 14 karat gold, platinum. You can also choose the sterling silver or gold vermeil. They have so many different beautiful classic diamond cuts available in several different choices of metal to add to your existing jewelry collection or to start a new one. And I will link this in the description below and some of the other matching options. I do have my eyes on a few other pieces from them, but you can use my code HEATEDMESS20 to save on your order from Demain Diamonds. Then really quickly, I'll show you some of the holiday makeup. I didn't pick up a lot of their single holiday product offerings, but I did pick out this palette because this palette is just so different from what they've had in the past. This is a 9-pan palette. It's called the Space Traveler. You guys, look at these colors. These are so right up my alley. I love this iridescent shade right here. I love this little duochrome. You have a couple mattes, and then it's just so pretty. I love blue. I love purple. I'll do a full swatch, not right now, just because I want to get to the holiday sets, but this is just so pretty. They don't offer a 9-pan eyeshadow palette frequently, so I had to pick this up. They have a couple other colors, or maybe one other like more neutral or reddish color, but I had to pick the Space Traveler. That was their theme this year, is like space travel. And this palette retails for $160. It did come a little damaged. I think it was this shade that was kind of flaking off. I tried my best to wipe it, but that's unfortunately how it came, but that's okay. I got these 2 gifts, which I'll put aside for now, just so I can start unboxing these for you. But I'll start with the least expensive first. This is the Lip Routine Beauty Set. This one retails for $122. Here is the packaging. Everything is in this navy color with the gold design. I love this design. Unfortunately, spoiler alert, that design does not extend to the bag, but the bag is okay. I think the bag is fine this year. So the Chanel holiday bag is this very pretty tweed. That's a little bit of a metallic or sparkly kind of glittery finish throughout. The zipper pull is their signature camellia with the Chanel CC logo right in the center. Very shiny. And this is the Lip Routine. This one comes with 2 products. We have the Hydra. Okay, I'm pronouncing it Hydra. I was told it was pronounced Hydra Beauty. Some people say it's Hydra, but a Chanel sales associate told me it's Hydra. So I'm going to go with that. Hydra Beauty Micro Serum. This is their lip serum. And I love this collection. Like, I love the Hydra Beauty, whatever. And I like that they have a little serum here. So it goes on like that, squeezes through. I mean, you know, just to show you. It goes on clear, obviously. It's very moisturizing. Hydra Beauty scent is very fresh, and yeah, that's it. It's just like a very moisturizing lip balm. This also comes with the Rouge Allure Velvet in the shade 58 Rouge V. The packaging of this lipstick, you just push down like that and it pops out into this very iconic Chanel red lipstick. And then it says Chanel right there. I'll do a little swatchy swatch for you. Very bold, very red, like a blue-based red. But you can, you can blot your lips. You don't have to do the full effect of red. It can just be kind of a lighter wash if you want. Those are the two products that come with the lip routine set for $122. Next, we have the Amplified Gaze set. This is $126. Same outer packaging. Oh, and by the way, it also tells you on the back what's inside. So this comes with the 4 quad eyeshadow and the Noir Allure mascara. Same kind of little bit sparkly navy tweed case. Already done an unboxing reel, spoiler alert, so that's why these products are opened up. But the first is the Noir Allure mascara in the shade 10 Noir Black. Same or similar packaging to the lipstick. You have the gold insert that pops out like that and pulls out. And that is what the wand looks like. Very spiky. And then you also get the eyeshadow quad in the shade 308 Clair Obscure, which is a very neutral eyeshadow. You have the little velvet pouch here. And here is the quad. The 2 spongy eyeshadow applicators. And I'll swatch these for you so you can see what it looks like. Those are the top 2. Oops. Okay, these are terrible swatches. Okay, very nice. Light. Okay, nice neutral shades. So these are the 2 eye products you get with the Amplified Gaze Makeup Holiday Set. Next up is another eye set. This is the Eyes to Impress for $127. This one comes with 3 products right here. Same tweed packaging. And just spoiler alert, they are all the same color. And as far as I can tell, they are about all the same size. There are a few more sets coming out. Sometimes the skincare sets are a little bigger, but I'm not sure until I see them. But this is the Eyes to Impress set with 3 products. First up is the long-lasting eyeliner in the shade Espresso number 20, which I think is actually nice that they kind of switch it up from just the regular black. So it's still a very dark brown. It's pretty much almost black eyeliner. Then we have the La Base Mascara Primer and then the Le Volume de Chanel Mascara, also in the shade 10 Noir. And I'll just open it and show you what they look like. This is in a white spoolie. It goes on white, but then it dries clear, and it just kind of builds up your lashes. And then the mascara, I usually don't open up new mascaras, but for you guys, I will. It is a little bit of a different applicator than the other mascara. It's not as spiky, and I really don't know the difference. I use whatever. I don't really see a difference, but those are the 3 products you get with the Eyes to Impress set. And then finally, we have the Coveted Essentials for $155. This one also comes with 3 products right here. Same tweed bag. This one is a little heavier because of what's inside. We get a full size of the egg hand cream. This is the one that has a little twist off. You squeeze the egg and then it kind of pops right out, the hand cream. And this smells very fresh. I like this, very hydrating. Also get a nail polish in the shade Ballerina. This is a very light pinky nude. This is the Rouge Coco Balm in the shade 912 Dreamy White. And it is pretty much just clear. It's white, pops up, lip balm, and it goes on clear. So these are the 3 full-size products you get with the Coveted Essentials Beauty Set. These are the 4 sets that I have right now, but I'll go over the rest. First up is the Gloss Up set, or the Lip Gloss Trio. This one retails for $138 and it features 3 of their lip glosses. This is something that they offer every single year. Sometimes the 3rd shade switches up, but they usually have like a pinky mauve and then kind of like a golden nude. And then this year it looks like a light baby pink. Next we have the Huda Beauty Maximum Moisture set. That one is $187. And then the No. 1 de Chanel Power Pair is $257. Then we have the Effortless Allure. This set includes 3 products: the Hydra Beauty Micro Eye Cream. You also have the Le Beige Water Fresh Blush, and then the eyeshadow Quint, which has 5 eyeshadows. One is $244. And finally, the Lay Lift Smooth Results. This is the most expensive Chanel holiday set at $268. By the way, if you can't get your hands on these Chanel holiday sets, I always recommend getting the Dior sets. And actually this year, the Dior holiday gift sets are so much nicer, in my opinion, than the Chanel holiday sets. I've already done a few videos about the Dior sets, but I love the holiday gift set this year. It's a really pretty gold vanity set. Look at the CD logo with the star on the front, also the star zipper pulls. It literally has a top handle, okay, all of the sets. And then it has these loops here so that you can actually add a chain strap and turn this into a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag. So this is how it opens up. The least expensive set from the Dior holiday collection this year, I believe, is this one. It's the mascara eye primer. So this comes like so. It zips open, flips out like that, and then the mascara inside is actually really cool. I don't know if this is a new mascara or if they repackaged it, but look how cool the mascara is. It's that Canage, Dior Canage print, and it looks like it's leather wrapped. It's very cool. I believe this is $72. So very affordable holiday set from Dior that includes this glittery gold top handle makeup bag. Also have their holiday eyeshadow palette. I get this every single year, and this year is so much nicer because it actually locks in place. It has this little lock here that snaps shut. I love their holiday eyeshadow palette because once you open this, I mean, very pretty, great formula. It also has a mirror at the top, but once you remove the insert, this just comes out. Inside you can fit literally a stack of cards. There is my Barnes & Noble Hello Kitty gift card, and then it also fits a mini Dior lip gloss inside. So there it is. You have a little mirror compact, and it locks shut. So if you can't get your hands on the Chanel holiday sets, I definitely recommend getting any of the Dior holiday gift sets. And then I almost forgot the gift. So this was my gift for this order right here, and the eyeshadow palette. It comes in this little case. And inside, sorry that my dogs are barking, you have a set of Chanel hair clips. Are these the cutest things you have ever seen? It's just these 3 little alligator clips. And we have this one right here. This is a Chanel Beauty little zip coin pouch. This is so cute. This, oh, it also snaps. Cute. You can use this as a little bag charm. So anytime I see a gift with purchase, I definitely will let you guys know. Occasionally, they do sometimes have gifts with purchase online. A lot of the gifts that I've received were through a sales associate, including my Chanel holiday globe. Well, this actually sometimes is if you are, if you have a loyal sales advisor, client advisor, and then sometimes it's just based on your spending. They will decide it like up at HQ and send you a snow globe. So this was, I believe, last year's. This was the year before, and I actually don't know. We have the 2 gold snow globes, the red one. I have these 2 little ones. I don't remember if this was a gift with purchase. I think one of these was inside the Chanel advent calendar, which is behind there. I have it in the back of all my videos. Those are the Chanel snow globes and my little gift with purchase. So let me know if you guys plan on getting anything from the Chanel holiday sets this year. There are a lot more to choose from. I will link them all in the description below if they are available, and also here on the screen. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.